Miami. It's not just about beaches and sunshine. This city is buzzing with opportunity, especially in the rental market. With its vibrant culture, growing job market and year-round appeal, Miami attracts a steady stream of renters. That means potential income for savvy investors like you. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time real estate venture, Miami's rental market is a great place to start. Think about it. People are always moving to Miami for work, school, or simply to soak up the sun. This constant influx of new residents creates high demand for rental properties, and high demand translates to a lucrative opportunity for landlords. But like any investment, it's crucial to do your homework. Understanding the Miami market is key to making smart decisions and maximizing your returns. So, let's dive in and explore how you can turn your real estate dreams into a profitable reality in the Magic City. From its lively nightlife to its world-class dining and entertainment options, Miami offers a lifestyle that attracts people from all walks of life. The city is also home to top-notch educational institutions and thriving business centers, making it an ideal place for families and young professionals alike. With excellent public transportation and infrastructure, getting around the city is a breeze. Each neighborhood in Miami has its own unique charm and character, from luxury waterfront properties to more affordable rental options. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Miami's rental market has something for everyone. Let's explore the endless possibilities and make your investment journey in Miami a successful one. Welcome to Miami, where your real estate dreams can come true. Before you jump into buying a property, you need a solid plan. Start by researching the Miami rental market. Look at average rental prices in different neighborhoods. Consider factors like proximity to beaches, public transportation, and entertainment districts. These factors influence how desirable your property will be to potential tenants. Next, set a realistic budget. Determine how much you can afford to invest. Don't forget to factor in expenses like mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, and potential maintenance costs. Remember, it's not just about the purchase price. Ongoing expenses can impact your profitability. Location, location, location. Choosing the right neighborhood is crucial. Some areas are popular with young professionals, while others attract families or retirees. Each demographic has different needs and budgets. Research different neighborhoods to find one that aligns with your investment goals and target tenant. Once you have a good understanding of the market and your budget, it's time to start looking for your dream rental property. This is an exciting phase where you get to explore various neighborhoods and see what each has to offer. Work with a local real estate agent who specializes in investment properties. Their expertise can be invaluable in navigating the complexities of the market. They can help you find properties within your budget and guide you through the buying process, ensuring you make informed decisions. When viewing properties, consider their rental potential. Think about what features would attract tenants and keep them satisfied. Look for features that appeal to renters, such as spacious layouts, updated kitchens and bathrooms, and outdoor space. These elements can make a property more desirable and easier to rent out. Don't be afraid to consider properties that need a little TLC. Sometimes these properties can be hidden gems. With some strategic renovations, you can increase a property's value and rental income. Renovations can range from simple cosmetic updates to more extensive overhauls. Financing your rental property is a crucial step. It's important to understand all your options and choose the one that best fits your financial situation. Explore different mortgage options available for investors. Each option has its own set of benefits and drawbacks. Be prepared to provide a larger down payment than you would for a primary residence. This is often required for investment purposes. Remember, securing a favorable interest rate can significantly impact your monthly mortgage payments and overall profitability. A lower rate can save you thousands over the life of the loan, making your investment more lucrative. Before you can welcome your first tenant, it's essential to understand the legal requirements for renting a property in Miami. Familiarize yourself with the Florida Landlord-Tenant Law. This law outlines the rights and responsibilities of both landlords and tenants. Obtain all necessary permits and licenses from the City of Miami. This may include a business tax receipt and a rental property registration. Make sure you understand the safety regulations and building codes that apply to rental properties. This ensures your property is safe and up to code, protecting both you and your tenants. Draft a comprehensive lease agreement that complies with Florida law. This legally binding document outlines the terms of the rental agreement, including rent amount, security deposit, and lease duration. Having a clear and detailed lease agreement helps prevent misunderstandings and disputes down the road. Section 5. Getting rent ready from fixer-upper to fantastic. Now it's time to prepare your property for its star debut in the Miami rental market. Start by addressing any necessary repairs or renovations. A fresh coat of paint, updated appliances and modern fixtures can make your property more appealing to potential tenants. Consider furnishing your property, especially if you're targeting short-term renters or vacationers. Furnished rentals often command higher rents and attract a wider pool of tenants. Choose durable and stylish furniture that can withstand wear and tear. Setting the right rental rate is crucial. Research comparable rentals in the area to determine a competitive price point. You want to attract tenants while also ensuring you're maximizing your rental income. Don't be afraid to adjust your rental rate based on market demand and the time of year. Section 6. Managing your property. DIY or delegate. Once your property is rent-ready, you'll need to decide how you'll manage it. This decision is crucial and can significantly impact your experience as a landlord. You can choose to self-manage, handling everything from finding tenants to collecting rent and addressing maintenance issues. This means you'll be the point of contact for your tenants, dealing with any issues that arise. This hands-on approach can save you money but requires time and effort. You'll need to be organized and proactive, ensuring that all paperwork is in order and that you are compliant with local laws and regulations. Alternatively, you can hire a property manager to handle the day-to-day operations. This includes everything from marketing your property to coordinating repairs and maintenance. Property managers take care of tenant screening, rent collection, maintenance coordination, and more. They have the expertise and resources to manage your property efficiently. While this option comes with a fee, it frees up your time and provides peace of mind, especially if you're new to being a landlord or don't live near your rental property. The cost of a property manager can be seen as an investment in your peace of mind and the smooth running of your rental business. Consider the pros and cons of each option carefully. Think about your personal circumstances, your proximity to the property, and your willingness to be hands-on. If you have the time and enjoy hands-on management, self-managing might be a good fit. It can be rewarding to have direct control over your property and tenant relationships. But if you prefer a more passive approach or don't live near your rental property, hiring a property manager can be a worthwhile investment. They can handle the complexities of property management, allowing you to focus on other priorities or investments. Section 7. Finding your ideal tenants, casting a wide net. With your property prepped and your management style chosen, it's time to find those perfect tenants. Utilize a multi-pronged approach to reach a wider audience. List your property on popular online rental platforms like Zillow, Trulia, and Apartments.com. High-quality photos and a compelling property description can make your listing stand out. Consider working with a local real estate agent who specializes in rentals. They can leverage their network and marketing expertise to find qualified tenants quickly. Don't underestimate the power of word of mouth. Spread the word among your personal and professional networks that you have a rental property available. When screening potential tenants, be thorough. Conduct background checks, credit checks, and verify employment history. This helps you choose responsible tenants who will pay rent on time and take care of your property. Section 8. The rewards and risks, weighing the pros and cons. Like any investment, renting properties in Miami offers both rewards and risks. On the plus side, you have the potential to generate passive income, build long-term wealth through property appreciation, and enjoy tax advantages associated with real estate investing. However, it's important to be aware of the potential downsides. These can include dealing with difficult tenants, handling unexpected repairs, navigating market fluctuations, and managing vacancies. Being prepared for these challenges can help you navigate them successfully and protect your investment. Remember, knowledge is power. By thoroughly researching the market, understanding the legalities, and carefully selecting your tenants, you can mitigate risks and set yourself up for success in the Miami rental market. Section 9. The keys to success, patience, persistence, and a pinch of Miami heat. Embarking on your journey as a landlord in Miami can be both exciting and rewarding. Remember that success in real estate investing takes time, patience, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Don't get discouraged by challenges or setbacks. View them as opportunities for growth and improvement. Stay informed about market trends, network with other real estate professionals, and continuously educate yourself about best practices in property management. And most importantly, embrace the vibrant energy and entrepreneurial spirit of Miami. With the right approach, dedication, and a dash of Miami magic, you can turn your real estate dreams into a profitable reality. So take the plunge, embrace the journey, and watch your investment flourish in the heart of the Magic City.